should you mix your coolant with water or just use it directly? And also, what is the difference between coolant and antifreeze? So this is just a quick follow-up video to the video I did about the difference between the two colors. So when it comes to coolant and antifreeze, they both serve the same purpose, but it's different in the way that they're both used. So your antifreeze will normally be a concentrate of the antifreeze liquids, and it comes in a percentage. So you can see on this bottle it says 20% concentrate, that one says 50% concentrate, and the basic understanding there is, for example, on this one, this gives you protection of up to -8 degrees Celsius, as you can see right there, up to -8 degrees Celsius, while this one will give you protection of up to -20 degrees Celsius. So the higher the concentrate of the antifreeze, the more that it can, support much colder temperatures. So basically with these two, on the antifreeze side, you get instructions like there it says add 1 liter of the antifreeze to 1 liter of water until the cooling system is full. So you know that if your cooling system, for example, takes 6 liters of coolant into the system, then you know that you're going to need about 3 bottles to 3 liters of water, 3 bottles of antifreeze to 3 liters of water to be able to fill your cooling system. But then there's also a ready mix coolant like this one. So this coolant is already mixed 50-50. So there's 50% water and there's 50% antifreeze in this bottle already. So you know that if your car takes 6 liters, you just go ahead and buy 6 bottles of these and then drain the cooling system, and you pour in the 6 bottles of coolant and you're good to go. So that's basically the difference between the coolant. Coolant will already be mixed, and also sometimes it's just the region in which that these are used. So if you are in a country that is a much colder region, it's more relevant to say antifreeze. If you are in a country like Zambia, where we experience more heat than the cold, it's more marketable to say coolant. So yeah, at the end of the day, just read the bottle, but on average that's what it will be. A coolant will almost always be a 50-50 mix that's ready to go. You put in your system. Then your antifreeze, you're going to have to mix just by following the instructions, 1 liter to 1 liter of water, then you should be good. And just a quick note on the water that you're supposed to be using. So whenever you're going to mix your antifreeze into the water, just make sure that you're using either still water or you're using distilled water. So still water will still have a bit of the minerals that I talked about, calcium, magnesium, all those things found in normal mineral water. Those things might end up, causing corrosion and rust in the system. So you always want to get distilled water if you have access to that, and if you don't have access to that, you can still use still water and your system will just be fine. Cool. So that was just a quick follow-up video. If you guys like the content, leave a like, and of course keep the comments rolling. I do look at your comments and I can make follow-up videos like these. And of course, if you want to support the content that I do here, you can go ahead and use the video gifts function on TikTok and on Facebook as well. And yeah, we can continue making videos like this where people get to learn and understand different things about cars. So until the next one, guys, take care and drive safe.